Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basis, and on today's episode of Lords Mobile, I'm gonna show you how to email the Lords Mobile team. So without further ado, let's start the video on it. So first thing first, open up your Lords Mobile game, and once you're on the Lords Mobile game, head over to its settings. Now you can find Lords Mobile settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on the arrow, and your settings should pop right up. So go ahead and tap on the settings. Once you're inside your settings, tap on help. And you can see an email option right here. So go ahead and tap on email and choose what kind of queries that you'll be asking to them. Here I'm just gonna choose login. Now open up your email app. Once you're in your email app, type in your subject and type in your message. After you've done that, just hit send and your email should be sent to Lords Mobile team. And that's it for today's video guys. If you guys have any confusion, feel free to leave your queries down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.